Good morning po sa lahat. Ako si Jacinta Kanyal from Bislig City, Philippines. Um, August August 20, I provided help amounting to 5,000 pesos. At on August 23, 2015, I requested to get help amounting to 5,500. I am so happy that I have additional 500 pesos from my 5,000 pesos, from the 5,000 pesos amount that I provided help. I want to say thank you to all the participants, to Anna and Melanietan, for promptly give me a help amounting to 5,500 pesos. Thank you so much to all the participants, and also thank you to Sir Sergi Mavrudi for creating MMM. This community is really great. It is really a community of helping each other. So I would like to say thank you, Sir Sergi Mavrudi, for this great opportunity that you have given to all the participants. That's why I am I am inviting all participants who have not yet participated, who have not yet provided help, because I want you to try this community because it will help you to be financially free. Together we change the world.